Hello! In this video we want to show you how to manage your files with the newly implemented external file access for your smartphones or tablets on iOS or Android. The external file access is an advanced integration that greatly simplifies downloading, editing and uploading your files with TeamDrive on your handheld device. If you are an Apple user and own an iOS device like this iPad with the iOS 15 operating system, download the newest version of TeamDrive from the App Store. Upon opening the info menu of any space, you will find External File Access as an added button at the bottom. Enable this feature. Please note that you can only make this change and setting on the space itself. Under the general settings, which you can open and find with a click on the gear symbol, you can find additional security settings to enable or disable the external file access by default. Once you set up a space with the external file access, start your Files app. On the top left-hand corner, you will find a circle with 3 dots in it. Open the page settings and select the edit options for this page. You can add TeamDrive to your directory for saving and managing your files locally. Doing that may prompt authorization as the admin user of the device. Simply follow the instructions as they appear on the screen. Now you can see the TeamDrive spaces in your Files app. If the Files app has been running before, make sure to completely close it and restart it in order to load the graphical components of TeamDrive. Within these spaces, you can save and manage your files, create and save your documents of any kind, and TeamDrive will automatically synchronize them as per usual. In this example, I create a new Word file. After a few words, I save this file under the correct path and close it. Should the Files app be grayed out and not be able to select, close your document, the Files app and TeamDrive and reopen them all again to reload it properly. All changes will now be synchronized with the TeamDrive space and will be uploaded. Should TeamDrive not run at this moment, you can still synchronize your files manually. Simply press and hold with a tap on any space or file so that an advanced menu appears. There you will find an option to synchronize the changes. Select this option and TeamDrive will open to apply all changes from here on. The following view takes place on an Android device. Here I create a space and set it up to activate the external file access upon creation. Again, I open Word, create a new file and save it directly under TeamDrive. In order to do that, I search for locations and select TeamDrive. You may need to wait a few seconds until all options appear. If you still cannot find TeamDrive, click the symbol on the top left-hand corner. Naturally, you can handle your files here just as easily as you could on the iOS version.